great tips for how to use affiliate marketing to your advantage. If you want to make money by selling products for other people, you need to know about the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not difficult, but there are many things that you need to know to get started. Here you will find tips to help you become a successful affiliate. Consider weekly or monthly prizes. Visitors will keep coming back to your site to see what the prize is. Don't forget to keep their interest by providing relevant information that they want to learn about. This is also a good way to get sign-ups to your newsletter. Tell them you will notify them about the prize through email. Be honest about who is in your affiliate program. If the reader suspects something amiss, they may just bypass you and go directly to that vendor's site. Doing this means that you will not get paid for a sale. You need to prevent that. Build a loyal fan base through trust and honesty. When creating an affiliate marketing program for your products, encourage deep linking. You want links on your affiliates' pages to go directly to the product page for the item they're recommending. The more clicks it takes the reader to reach the product, the less likely it is that they will convert. An efficient blog or website is going to create far more affiliate traffic than almost anything else you can do. Be sure that your site is always streamlined and easy to use. A complicated site stuffed with junk content is going to immediately turn traffic away. So, make sure the site is clean and easy to navigate. Although advertising one's products on the internet can be a convenient way to reach a broad segment of the population, potential buyers can often be reluctant to buy a product that they won't be able to try on until it has arrived. For this reason, it is important to stress your liberal return policies. New websites are not easy to get affiliate marketing links for immediately. The best way to get links quick is to write several blogs or videos about several products for nothing first, just to gain publicity and ranking. Once you have something for a company to see, they will give you the link you need. Now that you've reached the end of this video, you can see that making an affiliate living is not difficult at all. You just need to apply yourself, and you can start by applying the tips that you've discovered here. Soon, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the fruits of your online labor. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.